Hello class 10th. In my previous video we studied about the growth promoters. Now we start with growth inhibitors in chapter 7 chemical coordination in plants. Now today I am going to start with the growth inhibitors. Plant hormones that act as the growth inhibitors are abscisic acid and ethylene. Abscisic acid, 1 mark questions coming in your examination, that is expend ABA. Expend ABA, that is abscisic acid. It is a growth retarding hormone. It is a growth retarding. Here it inhibits the growth of the plant. In previous video we talk about the growth promoters. Now today we talk about the growth inhibitors. So now abscisic acid is a growth retarding hormone. It is found in the chloroplast of leaves, fruits and seeds. Contain the highest amount of AB. Where it is found? It is found in the chloroplast of leaves, fruits and seeds contain the highest amount of ABA. It accelerates the senescence, means aging, and abscission means falling of leaves and other plant organs. ABA stimulates the closure of stomata in the epidermis and increases the tolerance of plants to various kind of stresses. So therefore it is also called the stress hormone. It is also called the stress hormone. Abscisic acid is called the stress hormone because it increases the tolerance of the plant to various kind of stresses. ABA also plays an important role in seed development, maturation and dormancy. It is also called the stress hormone. ABA also plays an important role in seed development, maturation and dormancy. By inducing dormancy, ABA helps seed to withstand extreme dryness and other factors unfavorable for growth. In most situations, ABA acts in opposition to gibberellin. Okay, now synthesize. Where it is synthesized? It is synthesized in green fruits and seeds at the beginning of the wintering period. At the beginning of the wintering period. Fruits and seed contains the highest amount of ABA. Which part of the plant contain the highest amount of ABA? That is fruits and seed. And where it is found? It is found in the chloroplast of leaves. It is synthesized. It is found in the chloroplast of the leaves. Fruit and seeds contain the highest amount of ABA. Now next is ethylene, gaseous hormone. It is also called as gaseous hormone. The gas was then found to be ethylene by R. Gain. R. Gain. Ethylene is only hormone which is the gas at ordinary temperature. It is produced in fruits and remain in the same fruit. Therefore, unlike other hormones, the site of synthesis and site of action are not different. A gas causing ripening of fruits which first found in melting from oranges, which helped in the ripening of bananas when stored together. Ethylene is produced in higher plants and fungi. All living cells are capable of producing ethylene, but more ethylene is produced in meristematic tissue. Ethylene causes two processes in plants: reduction in stem, elongation and acceleration of senescence. It helps in ripening of fruit, initiating germination in plant peanut seed, sprouting of potato tuber and promoting root growth and root hair formation, inducing flowering in mango. Now, what is ethylene? Ethylene is the only hormone which is a gas at ordinary temperature. It is produced in fruits and remain in the same fruit. Hormone, it is a site of synthesis and site of action are not different. A gas causing ripening of fruit was first found in the emanating from oranges.